Good morning, Kasturians. In this video, we will discuss chapter 6 of geography, that is manufacturing industries. What is their meaning and how they are important and different manufacturing industries. So let's start. So, manufacturing industries. But before that, what is the meaning of manufacturing? See, manufacturing means a process by which the raw material or unprocessed goods they are converted into useful products on a relatively large scale. The value of the manufactured product is always more than the raw material, and that's why the raw materials they become economically more valuable goods or products, and this is why manufacturing makes an economic sense and it's an important process in the economics. So production of different goods in large quantities from raw materials after the processing of such raw materials into more valuable products by making use of machinery on a large scale is manufacturing. It commonly enjoys and employs people. People they operate on machines, and also sometimes we can see the robots are now being employed in the manufacturing units. The people they employ, and manufacturing is basically considered as a secondary activity. Why? Because the primary materials which are present in the nature or which are extracted from nature they are converted into finished goods with more values due to this manufacturing process. That's why it is known as secondary activity. The economic strength of a country or economy can be measured by the development of manufacturing industries located in that country, and some of the importances or some of the points which make manufacturing an important instrument or important process are: see, manufacturing industries they help in modernizing the primary activities, especially agriculture, which make agricultural practices more efficient. The overall or heavy dependence of people on agricultural income is reduced due to manufacturing industries, and this is possible because of creation of new jobs in secondary sectors. The industrial development it helps in eradication of unemployment and poverty. The per capita income of people increases. The standard of living or quality of life it improves, and the regional disparities in underdeveloped areas is reduced due to this manufacturing industries or manufacturing process. The export of high quality manufactured goods it expands the trade and commerce faster and brings in much needed foreign exchange. Also, a country with high level of manufacturing activities becomes more prosperous as more and more value is created from the raw material. Now, as we have discussed earlier, agriculture. So agriculture and industries they go hand in hand. Why? What is the reason for this bonding? They are inseparable from each other. The very first reason is the agro industries they get all their raw materials from agricultural products. It is directly or indirectly the agriculture and its various related practices that are a major supplier of raw materials, or you can say all the major industries, especially the manufacturing industries, they are dependent directly or indirectly on the agriculture and related activities for getting regular and continuous supply of raw materials. The farmers, they receive advanced assistance for farming from industries like fertilizers, pesticides, irrigation, PVC pipes, machine and tools. The competition between industries has increased, and not only production but also the productivity of agriculture has undergone change. The industries, they make Indian agriculture products capable of competing with the international market products. We have seen that the manufacturing sector is an important sector in economy. So this share of manufacturing sector, especially in the Indian economy, in terms of the GDP contribution, is stagnant up to 17%, because the other sectors, especially the tertiary sector or the services sector, has marked a greater increase of nearly about 580% in the last 3 decades, and the total contribution of industry to the GDP is around 27%, that comes from mining, quarrying, electricity and gas, and that accounts for 10% out of total 27%. The growth of the manufacturing sector had been 7% in the last decade, but the desired growth in the next coming decade is pegged at 12%. The National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council (NMCC), it was set up to achieve this goal in 2004 with the objectives of importing and increasing the contribution through proper policy interventions by the government and renewed efforts by the industries. That's all we have in this video. In the next videos, we will discuss about industries and the major factors that are decisive about the location and areas of operations of the industries. Thank you and have a nice day.